Do I love to cook? Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You're not my then.
I know, because you hate to cook.
I just can't stand cooking. And you love the prep and everything. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
And your food always takes so long.
Yeah, because I put love and care into my
I see that. Oh, yeah.
Probably no piece of propaganda has done more damage in at least separate. No new foreign deals involving his family business where all of his hand. Well, away from that, it was also in arbitrage. And then the party makes their stock trade, so they're all, they say no conflicts of interest. Here, only
Hey guys, long time no see. Sorry for not posting for like almost a year, it feels like, or is it actually a year? I don't know. I'm so sorry. But I wanted to do something that I liked because I don't know, drawing was just not speaking to me, and I like to draw when like I actually want to and not like being forced to make a video about it. Like I just like to pull out my iPad and just start drawing instead of being like, oh, I gotta hook up this camera and place the camera this way and which is like kind of crazy because I had to place the camera a certain way for the cooking video, but it's different, guys. Trust me, it's different. I'm sorry, but it's never mind. But I hope you liked the video. Do let me know what you would like me to cook next. I am saving up for a new camera because the one that I have is not made for the aesthetic look, or it is, but it's just like too bulky, and I want to get the Insta360. So yeah, wish me luck on that, and I'll see you guys in 5 months. I'm kidding, maybe not, I don't know. Yeah. Sorry. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo.